Let's make a margherita pizza. So hopefully that dough's been resting for 3 or 4 hours. That's ideal. Next, put some flour on your countertop. Place your dough right in the center and flip it over once. Coat both sides generously with flour and then begin to press it out. And now we're going to do the gravity stretch. Place that dough in the back of your knuckles and turn it like you would a steering wheel. Just like this. And now let's grab our crushed tomatoes and start painting it on the pizza. Bring that sauce close to the edge, but not over the edge, just like life. Now let's layer in some flavor. We sprinkled some Romano just over the tomato sauce first, and then we added our cubed fresh mozzarella. So I meant to make this pizza directly on my peel. Instead, we're going to improvise and we're going to slide it on top. Carefully. I have my baking steel preheating at 500. I switch it to broil and then the launch. And then the broiler check. Make sure that thing is red hot. After 2 minutes, open the oven up, rotate that pizza, turn the broiler off, back on convection bake at 500 for 2 more minutes. That is a beauty. This pizza is super hot, but let's check underneath and look at that crust. Beautiful. All right, let's finish this off with a little bit of fresh basil, some extra virgin olive oil, more cheese. Slice and enjoy. This one is saucy.